Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best egg incubators for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Enco 40 Quail Egg Incubator. This incubator is specifically designed for quail eggs, but is versatile enough for other small bird eggs, like parrots and canaries. It comes with advanced temperature and humidity control, ensuring conditions are optimal for hatching at all times. The automatic egg turner simulates natural incubation while preventing eggshells from sticking to the tray, which is essential for healthy embryo development. One standout feature is the external automatic water supply system, which reduces heat loss by allowing water to refill without opening the lid. The transparent design offers a 360-degree view, perfect for monitoring the incubation process without disturbing the eggs. The Enco incubator is constructed with durable ABS material, making it environmentally friendly and long-lasting. Its compact design is easy to disassemble, and the base can be washed directly with water, making maintenance a breeze. However, with a 40-egg capacity tailored mainly for quail, it may not be the best choice if you're planning to incubate a variety of larger eggs. Additionally, the limited reviews on this model mean it hasn't gained widespread usage yet, but early feedback from users suggests promising results. Overall, the Enco 40 Quail Egg Incubator is a solid choice for beginners who are specifically interested in hatching quail or smaller bird eggs. It's user-friendly, compact, and provides consistent performance. The automatic features and durable build make it ideal for hobbyists or educational settings, especially for those wanting to teach children about the hatching process. Just keep in mind its niche focus and limited versatility when considering your purchase. At number 4, we have the Silven Spark Kitchen 12-Egg Incubator. This incubator combines professional-grade features with a compact design, making it ideal for beginners. It boasts precise temperature and humidity control with a digital display for real-time monitoring, ensuring optimal conditions for hatching. The automatic egg turner mimics natural hen behavior and stops turning 3 days prior to hatching, while audible reminders ensure you won't miss key incubation milestones. One standout feature is the integrated LED egg candler, which allows for non-invasive monitoring of embryo development directly through the viewing window. The dual external water tanks and anti-leak quick connect system maintain consistent humidity levels with minimal refills, making it hassle-free to manage. The incubator is made from food-grade ABS material with stainless steel trays that are dishwasher safe, adding to its durability and ease of cleaning. However, its 12-egg capacity may be limiting if you're looking to incubate larger batches, and while compatible with various egg types, it's best suited for chicken, duck, and quail eggs. Another minor downside is the slightly higher learning curve for first-time users due to its advanced features. The Silven Spark Kitchen Incubator shines for its professional-grade safety features, including over-temperature protection and error code diagnostics. It's perfect for home use, educational demonstrations, or small-scale incubation projects. If you're looking for an incubator with a solid build and intelligent automation, this model is a great choice, even if the capacity is on the smaller side. Coming in at number 3 is the Madakupix 20-Egg Incubator. This incubator is a fantastic option for those looking to hatch slightly larger batches of eggs. It features a circulating airflow system powered by a strong fan, ensuring stable temperature conditions throughout the incubation period. The external water refill system lets you add water without opening the lid, preserving interior conditions and avoiding temperature or humidity drops. Additionally, the built-in egg candler offers a convenient way to monitor embryo development without the need for extra tools. The Madakupix incubator includes an automatic egg turner that rotates eggs every 60 minutes and stops 3 days before hatching for optimal results. Its lightweight plastic construction ensures durability, though it may not feel as premium as higher-end models. With a 20-egg capacity, this incubator strikes a good balance for beginners who aren't looking to hatch large batches, but want something more substantial than a 12-egg model. However, it lacks advanced humidity control systems seen in other higher-ranked incubators, which may slightly impact hatch rates. Overall, the Madakupix 20-egg incubator is a reliable and user-friendly choice for hobbyists or beginners looking for a mid-sized incubator. Its ease of use, stable performance, and affordable price make it an attractive option for those new to incubating eggs. Just keep in mind that it's best suited for chicken, duck, or similar-sized eggs, and advanced features like precise humidity management may require additional attention. At number 2, we have the IBKEN X Incubator for hatching eggs. This compact 12-egg capacity incubator is packed with beginner-friendly features that maximize convenience and hatch success. It offers constant temperature and humidity control with a clear LED display, eliminating the need for extra tools like hygrometers. The automatic egg turner replicates natural conditions with adjustable turning intervals of 60, 120, or 180 minutes, and stops turning 3 days before hatching to prevent overturning. The external water refill system ensures stable humidity levels without disturbing the eggs, which is a great feature for maintaining optimal incubation conditions. The 360 degrees transparent design provides an unobstructed view of the hatching process, making it perfect for educational purposes or for simply enjoying the miracle of life. Its lightweight ABS construction makes it durable and easy to clean, with a detachable ventilation system for thorough maintenance. While its 12-egg capacity may not suit those looking to hatch larger batches, it's ideal for small-scale operations or first-time users. One minor downside is the lack of advanced airflow circulation systems, which could slightly affect uniform temperatures in certain conditions. The IBKEN X Incubator is an excellent choice for beginners due to its simplicity and reliability. The combination of automatic features, thoughtful design, and solid performance makes it a great value for the price. If you're looking for a compact, easy-to-use incubator with consistent results, this model is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Apto Hatch Pro 12-egg incubator. This top-of-the-line incubator delivers an unmatched combination of features, performance, and ease of use, making it the best choice for beginners. It provides precise temperature and humidity monitoring with an intuitive digital display, while the automatic egg turner rotates eggs every 2 hours to replicate natural conditions. The advanced 360-degree airflow circulation system ensures uniform temperature and humidity distribution, eliminating hotspots that can harm embryos. The external water refill system connects to dual humidity trays, requiring only 1 to 2 water bottle changes throughout the hatching cycle, which is incredibly convenient. The detachable design makes cleaning a breeze, with removable trays that can be washed in the sink and a machine cover that wipes clean. The 360-degree transparent observation window offers an unobstructed view of the hatching process, perfect for educational experiences or simply enjoying the journey from egg to chick. Apto backs this incubator with a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 3-year limited warranty, and lifetime technical support, providing peace of mind for your purchase. While its 12-egg capacity is modest, it's perfect for beginners who want a reliable, user-friendly incubator without the complexity of larger models. Overall, the Apto Hatch Pro 12 is the gold standard for beginner-friendly egg incubators. Its advanced features, thoughtful design, and dependable performance make it a standout choice for hobbyists, educators, and families alike. If you're looking for an incubator that delivers consistent results with minimal effort, the Apto Hatch Pro 12 is undoubtedly the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.